The HIligaynon word dala means to bring or to carry. Dala. Dala. Gindala niya ang mga kahon. It means he or she carried the boxes. Niya is he or she, kahon is a box. Mga kahon, boxes. Gindala niya ang mga kahon. Magadala kami sang bag-o nga kagamitan. We are bringing new equipment. Kami is like we, and then bag-o is new, and then kagamitan is an equipment. So magadala kami sang bag-o nga kagamitan. Dalon mo ang dokumento sa akon. You will bring the document to me. So mo is you, and then dokumento is a document, and then sa akon is to me. Dalon mo ang dokumento sa akon. Dapat mo madala ang imo ID. You must be able to bring your ID. Dapat is like must. Madala is to bring, and then imo is you, and then ID is identification card. Dapat mo madala ang imo ID. And that is all for our HIligaynon word dala means to bring or to carry. Dala.